equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV10 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery cover off. If it feels stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open, taking care not to damage the casing. With the battery cover removed, you will see the battery itself. Disconnect the battery by pulling the connector gently. If you find it difficult, you can use the flathead screwdriver to assist in loosening the connector. Remember, patience is key here. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely connected. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Before replacing the battery cover, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your vacuum. A clean environment ensures optimal functionality. Once cleaned, place the battery cover back on, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the 2 screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. After securing the cover, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help. If you prefer not to deal with this yourself, remember we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can enjoy hassle-free service right from your home. In summary, replacing the battery in your Dyson SV10 is a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools. However, if you feel uncertain at any point, our services are just a call away. We are committed to making your experience as smooth as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.